Can one bit of light bounce off another bit of light? Hey there, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to explore the wondrous world of light physics, and answer the question, can one bit of light bounce off another bit of light? Light is a fascinating matter, and it is always a treat to dive into the intricate details of how it works. What is light? Before we jump into the answer, let's understand the basics of what light is. Light is a form of energy that travels through space and can usually be detected in the form of electromagnetic radiation. It's composed of photons, which are the fundamental particles that carry the light energy. The speed of light energy in the vacuum is about 299,792,458 meters per second, which is the fastest known speed in the universe. Now let's discuss the reflection of light. When a beam of light hits a smooth surface, such as a mirror, it bounces back, creating a flat image. This process is called reflection, and it follows the law of reflection, which states that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Now coming back to the main question, can one bit of light bounce off another bit of light? The answer to this is, unfortunately, a no. As per the current view of mainstream physics, as light waves propagate, they oscillate perpendicular to their direction of travel, essentially waving through space. These waves of oscillating electric and magnetic fields interact with one another in a way that we can add them together to get a more substantial wave that looks like the original single wave. Still, we can't get a direct interaction between two different photons. But this is not the end of the story. If we take a look at the quantum physics perspective, then the picture of interaction between photons changes. According to quantum mechanics, photons exist as particles, and they also have a dual nature of behaving like waves. When two photons interact with each other, they can either pass through each other, like nothing happened, or can give rise to the creation of particles such as electrons. Conclusion: so, in a nutshell, when we talk about the reflection of light, we mean that light is reflected from a surface, but when we ask if light can bounce off of each other, then the answer seems to be a no. However, quantum physics has offered us different mechanisms for the interaction between photons, which is fascinating. The dual nature of photons continues to fascinate scientists and offers exciting possibilities for future research and technological advancements. Thanks for watching.